Welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products. We do reviews on hotels and even make money online programs. But today we're gonna go ahead and do a review on my new DEWALT nailer and compressor kit. This one we did get from Home Depot. Let's go and check it out. So check it out. We used to hook up to it. So check it out. And this is the actual compressor itself.
Vamos a poner la velocidad 120.
Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new compressor and nailer kit, definitely consider this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. I can get yours. Highly recommend.